Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. And if you look here for me, it says everything meaningful in life begins with a why. Think about it. We ask ourselves sometimes, why am I here? Okay. What is the reason for my purpose? Why me? Why now? What is my purpose, my reason for being here? You know, one of my mentors said many years ago that life begins with questions. And so if you look here, it says your why is what gets you moving when motivation fades. And sometimes, your motivation will fade, but if you have a big enough why, so you're going to keep moving in spite of what your motivation is speaking to you. Okay, now it's what gives direction to your effort, courage to your decisions, and meaning to your work. Without a why, we chase outcomes. And, if we have a big enough why, we can overcome, anything that's going on in our life. If our why is big enough. With a why, we build legacies. So I want you to think about that, because I've got some information I want to share with you. And I'm hoping that you'll look at it in the context of why. Why this information is important, okay? And why even consider the information, the opportunity that I'm going to share with you. So stay with me for the next couple of minutes, okay? Okay, so I want to say here that this is an introduction to this incredible opportunity, this incredible product, okay? And obviously I'm going to leave you with some more information. And, I encourage you to truly look at this opportunity, at this product, okay? And if you look here for me, it says one single upgrade that could dramatically impact your health and your financial future. And so I have a powerful presentation here on this webpage I put together, okay? It's from my sponsor. And I want to add also that we have an awesome, we have an incredible team of people that we're working with. And should you join me in this opportunity, then you'll become part of our team. Okay, so let's look at this together. Okay, and I know you don't know what's going on yet, but stay with me for the next few moments. Okay, now look, and this is what I said here. It says, "Hi, Coach Terry Brown here." That's me. I have some vital information to share with you. Did you know the olive oil sitting on most store shelves has zero medicinal value? Not less, but zero. And that one single upgrade could dramatically impact your health and your financial future. Okay. Let me explain. The wellness industry has a problem, and it's time someone told the truth. Most olive oils today are overpressed, diluted, and often rancid before they ever reach your kitchen. When that happens, the polyphenols disappear, and with them goes the real medicinal power of olive oil. Now think about this as we talk about it, okay? What you're left with is marketing and not medicine, not the medicinal power of the olive oil, okay? Now, this is very, very powerful, okay? Look here for me. It says, the olive truth. And I've never, I never really gave it a whole lot of thought or attention in any way. I heard some things But man, when I really start looking at it kind of blew my mind. Okay, the power of olive oil. Okay, now look at this. It says real olive oil was never meant to just be a cooking ingredient. For thousands of years, it was used as medicine, but modern processing stripped it of what mattered most. And that's why a new standard was created. We're introducing the olive standard. And we talk about why. So why is this important? Why is this important? Okay. Oliabo is the name of our company. All right. And it isn't just olive oil. It's the olive standard, a science-backed high-phenolic formula that's designed to deliver real, measurable health benefits. Okay. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to Google, all right, Google high quality olive oil. Just Google it and see what it says. Okay. Now I'm going to share a few other things with you before I close this video out. Okay. And with our olive oil, there's no shortcuts. And we've turned olive oil into nutritional products, skincare. I mean, this is powerful, powerful stuff. Okay. No shortcuts, no compromises, just purity, potency, and proof. Now, if you look here, it says, please click the link below for the next page. And that's going to be here. Okay. You don't have to sign up for anything or anything like that unless you want to. Okay. But here you just click it. You go to the next page. And on the next page, you're going to see a quick comp plan overview. You're going to see the big picture health impact of Prima by Oliabo, and you're going to see key everyday benefits of our program, of our product. Okay. Also, there are going to be some sign up links that you can sign up. You can sign up as a customer. You can sign up as a rep. All right. And so I'm going to take you there to that page right now and just share briefly some of the information there. Okay. We're going to do it real quick. Stay with me. Okay. Now this is very, very powerful. Okay. And here's a quick compensation plan overview. So I want you to come here, take a listen to this, but also take a look at this here. Okay. Your shortcut to far better health. And you know, the older that I get, the more, I think somebody's knocking on my door. I'll be right back. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so I'm back. That was my wife. She had a bunch of stuff in her hands, groceries. Okay, but I want to get back to this real quick, and I'm not gonna go through everything here, but I want to share a couple things with you. Okay, so why this matters? Why we talked about why earlier? Why this matters? Your shortcut to far better health. Look at this: the big picture health impact of Prima by Oliabo. Okay. And Oliabo is an Italian word. All right. And you'll get all of that, why it's called Oliabo and all that stuff. But this is what I want you to see. Okay. Here's what happens when olive oil is done right. And I'm going to share this really as quickly as I can. Look, cardiovascular protection supports healthy blood pressure, improves cholesterol balance, reduces inflammation, and protects arteries, brain and nerve support, powerful antioxidants and anti-amyloid compounds that may help protect memory and slow neurodegeneration, anti-inflammatory power, okay, targets inflammation at the source, supporting joints, metabolic health, and chronic inflammation relief. Folks, let me tell you something. This is incredible. As you get older, look, I have believed in nutrition for years, and I've had some things that have helped me out, guaranteed to help. I use them today to help me out. And when I saw this, I was absolutely fascinated by what this does. And like I said, you can Google this for yourself, okay? Google it and find out the power of high quality olive oil. It's real, okay? Look at this. Did I say this? Anti-inflammatory. I get excited. Anti-inflammatory power. Okay. Yeah. All right. Where did I stop? Okay. Let's go here. Immune and antimicrobial defense naturally helps the body defend against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Okay. Metabolic balance supports healthy blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. Boy, this is stuff that I know that I need. Okay. And there's more. So look, cancer. I'm just going to, this topic, cancer research potential, cellular defense and longevity. And I want to invite you to come to this page and the first page and check it out. Now, real quick, I just want to share this with you. You can come here and you can get signed up. It's free, absolutely free to sign up as a customer and a rep, okay? And this company's brand new, but it's growing by leaps and bounds. A lot's going on. It's happening. And this is going to be an incredible, incredible, incredible opportunity. So there's so much more I need to share, but not going to do it here on this video. But I want you to get started, okay? If you get started, then I'm also going to have a link, eventually going to have a link where you can sign up to my newsletter for this, and there's going to be a lot more information. But guys, but there you have it for this incredible. You're going to start to see it, okay? You're going to start to see it. Join our team. Join under me. Let's get going. Let's get rolling. Let's get rocking. And in closing, this is something, I was looking for a human potential, a human touch marketing program, referral based. I do affiliate marketing and all. I'm excited. Affiliate marketing and all of that. But I was looking for this where you can build residual income over time, and this is that opportunity. This is amazing. Okay, so the products are amazing, all natural. Just okay, there you have it, guys. Grab the link. You got to check this out. Let's get started today. Okay, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day. Bye bye now.